Hi everyone. Welcome to Exam Cracks. This video contains Microsoft Azure Fundamentals Exam AZ-900 questions 381 to 400. Question number 381. What should you use to prevent traffic from an Azure virtual network from being routed to an Azure storage account via the internet? Your options are A. A network security group. B. A public endpoint. C. Azure VPN gateway. D. A service endpoint. The correct answer is A. A network security group. Question number 382. Which service can replace a resource lock automatically if the lock is removed? Your options are A. Azure Information Protection. B. Azure Blueprints. C. Azure Backup. D. Azure Advisor. The correct answer is B. Azure Blueprints. Question number 383. You need to create a new user for an Azure subscription. What should you use? To answer, select the service in the answer area. Your options are Create a resource, Virtual Machines, Cost Management, Subscriptions, Azure Active Directory, Virtual Machines, All Resources, App Services, Resource Groups. The correct answer is Subscriptions. Question number 384. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. Azure Resource Manager templates use the dash. Your options are CSV format, HTML format, JSON format, XML format. The correct answer is JSON format. Question number 385. You plan to collect and analyze event details for 5 Azure virtual machines. You need to run queries to compare the event details collected from all the virtual machines. Which two tools should you use? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Your options are A. Azure Service Health. B. Azure Service Bus. C. Azure Monitor. D. Azure Advisor. E. Log Analytics. The correct answers are C. Azure Monitor, and E. Log Analytics. Question number 386. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. An Azure SLA is a formal agreement between Microsoft and a customer that defines dash. Your options are a commitment to deliver the features on a technology roadmap, a commitment to performance standards, the maximum scalability limits of an available infrastructure, the minimum scalability limits of an available infrastructure. The correct answer is a commitment to performance standards. Question number 387. What should you use to track the costs of Azure resources? Your options are A. Azure Quick Start templates. B. Tags. C. Budgets. D. Usage and quotas. The correct answer is D. Usage and quotas. Question number 388. You plan to reduce ongoing Azure expenditures. You need to identify which factors affect the costs of a resource. Which 3 factors should you identify? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Your options are A. The volume of outbound data. B. The volume of inbound data. C. The service tier. D. The Azure region. E. The type of processed data. The correct answers are A. The volume of outbound data. C. The service tier. And D. The Azure region. Question number 389. Your company has an Azure subscription that contains several resources. You need to identify which department is responsible for the cost of each resource. What should you use? Your options are A. Budgets. B. Alerts. C. Tags. The correct answer is C. Tags. Question number 390. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. Azure Cosmos DB is an example of a dash offering. Your options are Platform as a Service, Infrastructure as a Service, Content as a Service, Software as a Service. The correct answer is Platform as a Service. Question number 391. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. Statement A. An Azure Virtual Desktop session host can run Windows 10 or Windows 11 only. Statement B. An Azure Virtual Desktop host pool that includes 20 session hosts supports maximum of 20 simultaneous user connections. Statement C. Azure Virtual Desktop supports desktop and app virtualization. The correct answers are Statement A, no. Statement B, no. Statement C, yes. Question number 392. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. Statement A. In an Azure Virtual Machine Scale set, the virtual machines are configured identically. Statement B. The number of Azure Virtual Machines in a virtual machine scale set can increase automatically. Statement C. The number of Azure Virtual Machines in a virtual machine scale set can decrease automatically. The correct answers are Statement A, yes. Statement B, yes. Statement C, yes. Question number 393. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. Statement A. Azure Advisor provides personalized recommendations. Statement B. Azure Advisor can provide cost recommendations for virtual machines. Statement C. Azure Advisor can provide recommendations across multiple Azure subscriptions. The correct answers are Statement A, yes. Statement B, yes. Statement C, yes. Question number 394. What should you implement to manage the servers by using the Azure portal? Your options are A. Azure Kubernetes Service, B. Azure Arc, C. Docker, D. Role-based access control. The correct answer is B. Azure Arc. Question number 395. You create a resource group named RG1 in Azure Resource Manager. You need to prevent the accidental deletion of the resources in RG1. Which setting should you use? To answer, select the appropriate setting in the answer area. Your options are Quick Start, Resource Costs, Deployments, Policies, Properties, Locks, or Automation Script. The correct answer is Locks. Question number 396. Which two factors affect Azure costs? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Select all answers that apply. Your options are A. Availability zone selection, B. Resource usage, C. Resource location, D. Date and time of use. The correct answers are B. Resource usage, and C. Resource location. Question number 397. You need to compare the costs of running an application in an on-premises data center with the costs of running the application in Azure. What should you use to assist you? Your options are A. Azure Pricing Calculator, B. Azure Advisor, C. Azure Cost Management, D. Total Cost of Ownership Calculator. The correct answer is D. Total Cost of Ownership Calculator. Question number 398. Which two scenarios are common billing use cases for resource tags? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Your options are A. Categorizing costs by department, B. Associating costs with different environments, C. Resizing underutilized virtual machines, D. Identifying lower cost regions. The correct answers are A. Categorizing costs by department, and B. Associating costs with different environments. Question number 399. Your organization plans to deploy several production virtual machines that will have consistent resource usage throughout the year. What can you use to minimize the costs of the virtual machines without reducing the functionality of the virtual machines? Your options are A. Azure Monitor Alerts, B. Azure Reservations, C. Spending Limits. The correct answer is A. Azure Monitor Alerts. Question number 400. Which two actions can be performed by using the graphical user interface in the Azure portal? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Your options are A. Create new resources. B. Review a graphical view of all the services you are using. C. Change the availability zone of a virtual machine. D. Repeatedly set up one or more resources and ensure that all the dependencies are created in the proper order. The correct answers are A. Create new resources. And B. Review a graphical view of all the services you are using. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If it is useful, please do go ahead and like, comment and share the video. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon below to get notified of my new videos. Take care until we meet next time.